In today's video, I am going to teach you how to turn on developer mode on Wix. To get started, sign into your Wix account and go to your main dashboard where all of your website projects are listed. From there, find the website you want to work on and open it by clicking Edit Site. This will take you into the Wix editor, which is the main design area where you can manage your site layout, content, and settings. Once the editor has loaded, take a moment to look at the top of the screen. You will see the main menu bar running across the upper part of the editor. This is where Wix places many of its key tools and controls. If you are new to the editor, this top bar is important because it gives you access to settings, tools, help options, and in this case, developer features. Now move your cursor to the top menu and look for the Dev Mode option. It is located between the Tools and Help menu items. Click on Dev Mode to open its menu. This is the area Wix uses for coding-related features, so if you want to access developer tools, this is the section you need. After clicking it, a menu or drawer will appear with an option to enable coding features. Depending on the version of the editor you are seeing, the button may say Turn on Dev Mode or Start Coding. Click that option to enable developer mode for your site. As soon as you do that, Wix will activate the developer tools inside the editor. This usually adds a coding panel and other development-related options, which can help you work with custom functionality and more advanced site features. If you do not see the panel right away, give the editor a moment to update, since it may take a few seconds to fully load the new workspace. That is all you need to do to turn on developer mode in Wix. Sign into your account, open your site in the editor, click Dev Mode from the top menu, and then choose the option to turn it on or start coding. That covers everything you need to know.